Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin access. This lets you change system update behavior. Once logged in, open Settings and go directly to System or Windows Update so you waste no time. Make sure to locate Advanced Options or Update Settings. That section controls automatic updates. You need these screens open because the next actions require toggles and drop-downs. If you can't find the option, use the Settings search bar and type Update to surface the right page quickly. You will now disable the automatic behavior. Toggle automatically download updates to off or switch to manual. Once done, set pause updates for a temporary hold or mark your network as metered to prevent background downloads. If the UI lacks options, apply a local group policy change or a specific registry key. This is more advanced but permanent. Back up the registry first. Make sure to restart the Settings app or reboot so the system reads the new configuration before relying on it. Finish by rebooting the device so changes take effect, and then verify the status in Update History and Scheduled Tasks to confirm nothing is scheduled. You should also check active maintenance windows and third-party updaters that can override settings. If automatic updates resume, retrace your steps. Disable the UI toggle, then remove or reconfigure any group policy or registry edits. Make sure you exported backups before modifying. If problems persist, undo recent changes and test one method at a time to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.